Think of your body as a high-performance car. Just like a finely tuned engine, your body requires the right kind of fuel to operate at its best. To run smoothly and efficiently, it needs the right fuel. This means providing it with high-quality nutrients that can keep it running optimally. That fuel comes from the food you eat. Every meal is an opportunity to supply your body with the essential vitamins and minerals it needs. A healthy diet is not about restrictions or deprivation. It's about making choices that are both delicious and nutritious. It's about nourishing your body with the nutrients it needs to thrive. Think of it as a way to invest in your long-term health and well-being. By making smart choices about what you eat, you can boost your energy, strengthen your immune system, and enhance your physical performance, and even improve your mood. Good nutrition can lead to a happier, more balanced life. It's time to take charge of your health and unlock the incredible power of a balanced diet. Start today by making small, positive changes to your eating habits, and watch how your body responds with vitality and strength. Let's meet the key players in the world of nutrition, your food groups. These groups are the foundation of a balanced diet, each contributing unique benefits to our overall health and well-being. Each group provides unique vitamins and minerals essential for optimal health. These nutrients play crucial roles in bodily functions, from boosting our immune system to maintaining healthy skin and bones. First up, we have fruits and vegetables, bursting with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These colorful foods are nature's powerhouses, offering a wide range of health benefits, including reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Aim for a rainbow of colors on your plate. Each color represents different nutrients, so the more variety, the better. Think of it as eating a spectrum of health. Next, we have protein powerhouses like lean meats, poultry, fish, beans, and lentils. These foods are essential for muscle growth and repair, and they also play a role in hormone production and immune function. Protein helps build and repair tissues, keeping you strong and energized. Whether you're an athlete or just looking to stay active, protein is a key component of your diet. Carbohydrates are our energy providers, found in whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and oats. These complex carbs are digested slowly, providing a steady release of energy throughout the day. Choose whole grains over refined grains for added fiber and nutrients. Whole grains help with digestion and can keep you feeling full longer, aiding in weight management. Lastly, we have dairy or dairy alternatives, such as milk, yogurt, and cheese, which provide calcium for strong bones. These foods are also rich in other essential nutrients, like vitamin D and potassium. Opt for low-fat or fat-free options to keep your heart healthy. These choices can help reduce the intake of saturated fats, which are linked to heart disease. Remember, a balanced diet is key to a healthy lifestyle. Imagine your plate divided into sections. Half of your plate should be filled with colorful vegetables and fruits. The other half is split between lean protein and whole grains. This visual guide, known as the plate method, makes balanced eating easy and intuitive. Remember, portion control is key. Even healthy foods can contribute to weight gain if consumed in excess. Listen to your body's hunger cues and stop eating when you feel satisfied. Section 4. Swapping out for health. Making healthier food choices doesn't have to be complicated. Start by making small, sustainable changes to your eating habits. Swap sugary drinks for water, unsweetened tea, or infused water with fruits and herbs. Instead of fried foods, try baking, grilling, or steaming your meals. When grocery shopping, read food labels carefully and choose products with lower amounts of saturated fat, sodium, and added sugars. Remember, every little step counts. Section 5. Planning your path to wellness. Meal planning is your secret weapon for staying on track with your healthy eating goals. Set aside some time each week to plan your meals and snacks. Create a grocery list based on your meal plan to avoid impulse purchases. Consider batch cooking on the weekends to save time during the week. Having healthy meals and snacks prepped and ready to go will reduce the temptation to reach for unhealthy options when you're short on time. Section 6. Prepping for success. Once you've planned your meals, it's time to put your culinary skills to work. This is where the magic happens. Cooking at home not only saves money, but also allows you to control the ingredients and portions, ensuring a healthier lifestyle. Wash, chop, and store your fruits and vegetables in airtight containers for easy snacking or meal preparation. Fresh produce is the cornerstone of a nutritious diet, and having them ready to go makes it easier to incorporate them into your meals. Cook a large batch of whole grains, such as quinoa or brown rice, to use as a base for salads, bowls, or side dishes throughout the week. Whole grains are packed with nutrients and provide a great source of energy to keep you going. Portion out snacks into individual containers or bags for grab-and-go convenience. Nuts, fruits, and other healthy snacks can help curb hunger between meals and prevent unhealthy snacking. By having your meals and snacks prepped in advance, you'll be less likely to make unhealthy choices when hunger strikes. An organized fridge with prepped meals means you can quickly grab a nutritious option, making it easier to stick to your health goals. Remember, preparation is key to success in any endeavor, and meal prepping is no different. Section 7. Embrace the journey to a healthier you. Congratulations on taking the first step towards a healthier you. Remember, healthy eating is not about perfection, but about making sustainable changes that fit your lifestyle. Don't get discouraged by occasional slip-ups. Every single day is a new opportunity to make healthy choices. Listen to your body, be kind to yourself, and enjoy the journey to a healthier, happier you.